My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So this is going to be a BRATZ makeup tag. That's what it's called, right? I don't know. It's basically where you do your makeup like a BRATZ doll. I am too old to have played with BRATZ dolls, but I do have a little bit of history with them. So one night I went to a concert with some friends, and one of my friends brought one of her friends, which I hadn't met before. And after we met, he was like, "Is this the BRATZ doll?" And I'm like, what is he talking about? And he proceeded to tell me that my friend called me a living BRATZ doll. So I was like, alright, I'll take it as a compliment. I mean, I think they're freaking awesome. I remember seeing them, I was like, I wish I had those to play with when I was a kid. But I was definitely a Barbie girl. Oh, I just wanted an excuse to dress up like a BRATZ doll. Like, need I say more? I didn't really think the whole jacket through with my background. I'm gonna blend into the background. You're just gonna see like my head floating. But I wanted to create a BRATZ look that was more wearable. I saw some videos where they did like the cartoon eyes, and that is just not my vibe, but you do you. And this is what I came up with, and I was like, if I was a BRATZ doll, I would definitely be rocking a sequin bomber jacket. So that's what I got going on. Let me show you the BRATZ doll that I kind of recreated this look from. Oh my gosh, this eye look, legit the easiest makeup in the world. So easy. I used 2 shadows. Oh, and then the highlights of the brow bone, so 3. But anyone will be able to recreate this. This is a really fun, super easy look. So if you would like to see how to recreate this BRATZ makeup look, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And let's get into the plastification. Let's get dolled up. Oh, that was cute. Prime my eyes. I'm going to use this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Crayon Concealer. And just put that on my eyeball. Well, on the outside of my eyeball. I'm going to blend it out with this Wet n Wild brush. I actually am not going to set it with powder because I'm just going to be putting another cream product on top. So I'm going to just try using like a very light beige. So this is a Mally eyeliner in Mally Light. And I am just going to basically shape where I'm going to be putting the eyeshadow, which is basically the entire lid space. I'm just going to kind of map it out, and I definitely recommend doing your brows before this look because number one, you'll be able to use them as a guide, and it'll just be like very difficult trying to do them after the look because we're going so high up with the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to fill in that area with the eyeliner, and it basically looks like I did nothing because it's the same color as my skin. What, at least it will help the eyeshadow stick. So now I'm going to be taking this ColourPop eyeshadow in Two to Mango. It's like a very pretty light lilac. And I'm going to be taking this Vasanti eyeshadow number 2 brush and putting that all over where we put the eyeliner. You don't have to use an eyeliner. I just wanted to use it because it'll help the shadow stick, and it will give me an idea of how high I want to put the shadow. I didn't have like the exact same color as the eyeshadow on the BRATZ doll, so I kind of just did my own thing and tried to make it as close to it as I could, and I think what I did, it came out very good, very close to the color I was trying to achieve. The look is definitely very glittery, and that is a matte shadow. So now we are going to add some glitter. I'm going to take this Urban Decay eyeshadow in Cosmic, like a white glitter. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to put that towards the outer part. And just kind of press it on top of the matte shadow. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty FLYLINER and just do a small wing. NARS Larger Than Life eye pencil, and I'm going to line the upper waterline. The lower waterline as well. So now I'm going to highlight the brow bone, what little of it is showing, and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Sugar. Eyeshadow Chewed Mango with a flat brush, and put that in the lower lash line. So I'm going to take this Sephora LASHCRAFT Big Volume Mascara. I like really want to look super plastic, flawless, blurred to perfection foundation. So to start off that process, I'm going to take my FARSALI SKINTUNE Blur Perfecting Primer Serum and put that on. Smooth, flawless, like polished skin. When I want my foundation to look like extra on point, I use a stick foundation and a liquid foundation. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to start out with the Hourglass Vanish. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Whipped Cream, and I'm going to put that on. This is the fullest coverage concealer I have, so yeah, this is plastic approved. The smallest amount of this goes a long way. So now I'm going to take my damp Real Technique sponge, and I just make sure all the excess water is out of it, and bounce that out. To take my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Cupcake, and I'm going to set my concealer. Thought I was recording, it definitely wasn't. So for blush, I'm going to go in with some more of my Too Faced Love Flush palette, and we're going to use How Deep Is Your Love. And her blush is mainly on the apples of her cheeks, so that's where I'm going to put most of the blush. And I did go a little bit overboard because we are trying to look like a doll here. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Gleam, and I'm going to go in with Crushed Pearl. And my Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going to buff with, I have a little mini of the Mercier Translucent Glow Powder. Take a big fluffy brush and then take a small amount of that and then just go in circular motions basically everywhere. To set my face, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. Alright, so now for the fun part. So I'm gonna take, I got a pack of 12 of these from Amazon. I'm not going to be using all of them, just a couple. And I'm going to be using a couple of the round ones because the jewels she has on her face are round. Alright, I'm just going to cut some of the round ones out. Take some, eyelash glue. I just have some like adhesive rhinestones that I got from Joann's. Because you never know when you're going to want to bedazzle something. Like your face. Even though it does have adhesive on it, they don't stick the best, especially with makeup on. So I'm just going to add some glue. Like that, I guess. I don't even know how I did that. That was just by the hand of God. Thank you for my flawless makeup game, God. The end of the tweezer. Okay, so it wasn't filming, but for the lip, first I put this Milani Amore matte lip cream in Fancy on, and then I took the same Urban Decay eyeshadow that we used for our eyes and I pressed it onto the center of my lips. Now I'm going to take this NYX lip liner in Dolly Pink. I want to put a tiny bit of this Anastasia gloss in Pearl in the center too. I think kind of gives my lips that like that doll-like appearance is the finished look. I am going to go do hair and makeup. You didn't think I was done, did you? And alright guys, this was really fun to make. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. This is my shit. My jam. And I wake up with the Lord, my soul to take, my soul to take, my soul to take, my soul to take. Hey, get off your job, little man. This ain't Saturday. We're in two different lanes. You can't navigate. We're in two different games. You playing patty cake. We're out of shape. My mind run a mile a minute. The sky's the limit. I'm so hot, I'm diving in it. Clouds are in it. My knock getting slobbed up in it. Calling God, man, you would have thought that God was in it. But it's just that God invented. Best out. Make me not admit it. For the rest of it, get to tell my mama she got enough to stress about. My gonna get me out. Then we hit the club with the thugs and the liquor. No criminal records, but I'm making criminal records. Isn't it ironic? Isn't it ironic? Like it's so expensive you wouldn't even turn on it. But it fit me perfect, I purchase it if I want it. It's really on my shoulders, so they can't cry on it. When you make the list of the greatest, so am I on it? Maybe not get got to it go tick tock, game on lock. Sun won't shine, but the rain won't stop.